Cream Coat Premium Furniture Polish. Clean, polish, preserve. Fine wood furniture adds a sense of elegance, distinction, and power to an office. With these rich surfaces, ordinary cleaning will not suffice. Cream Coat Premium Furniture Polish deep cleans, polishes to a shine, and preserves wood surfaces in one easy application. This highly concentrated aerosol removes wax buildup and repairs minor scratches on fine solid wood furniture and surfaces while providing a protective film to shield against future surface damage.